All right, Miss Rashida, what you doing right now? You got a cup of water over there. What you about to do?
Oh, I am about to do my balance.
Okay.
Got a new lesson on how I can do this balance,
right.
being at a restaurant and everything, and trying to be proper with the glass of water.
Because you want to be culturally and socially acceptable.
Right.
Right.
Right. I do.
And so you got what you got there. What you got in your hand?
Oh, I have the balance.
Okay.
I hope they're seeing it mirror image.
Yeah, we got you.
Okay.
BALANCE. Okay.
And I'm taking this because this is going to make sure that I'm getting the fiber that I need. Because I'm not sure what's going to be fiberish in the food that I'm ordering. I'm just saying.
Okay.
You know, but this is going to make sure I get the amount of fiber that I need after I eat this, when I eat my meal.
Well, show you what you gonna do now. Tell us what you're gonna do.
Oh, now at home, I would make sure all of it's in the bottom of the packet.
Okay.
And it's got its own little perforation line here. It makes it easy to tear.
All right.
Hi-yow.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes it does not work. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
Okay.
Would you say this is about 8 ounces of water?
Yeah.
Well, maybe a little bit more.
We're all socially having a good time. You know.
Okay. And actually, there's nobody around, so I could do this right out of the pouch.
No, we're not gonna do it tonight. We're not gonna do that tonight.
All right, then.
Because we don't have any bloopers.
But I really want 8 ounces of water. I don't want any more than 8.
Okay,
Right?
so we eyeballed it.
So we're eyeballing?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, the water tastes good too.
Yeah,
So
you like it cold, though, right?
I love it cold. This is better cold, the balance. So you just pour it.
Okay.
Now, when you have your bottle, which comes with our little kit that we get, you can shake it up. But all you want to happen here is for it to dissolve.
Okay.
So I'm going to just stir it enough.
Okay.
Just enough for it to get dissolved in there. And it tastes like orange. Y'all remember the orange sickle? The orange ice cream with the vanilla ice cream? To me, this is what it tastes like.
Okay.
It is the push-up. That's right. Who remembers the push-up? So I may have some little particles in there, but they'll go down. They will not crystallize in your throat or anything like that.
Life isn't perfect.
Yeah. So with that, I'm going to just turn this up. And here's to you. Here's to balance. Here's to the fiber that's going into my new body. I'm so proud. I've lost 12 pounds doing this in 1 month. This and the tea. I was having my tea in my bottle. Well, you didn't have your bottle either. But I was having my tea. And so I'm going to stop and eat now. Now, I have a question. I can drink my tea after I finish.
Absolutely.
Oh, okay.
Absolutely.
Well, here we go with the balance. And I don't want it to stand too long because it gets thicker. And when it gets thicker, it's hard for me to swallow.
Okay.
Some people, I call no name and bear no blame, take it thick. Oh my gosh, I like it like that. I've been drinking it out of the bottle, but this is so nice and so ladylike. It was,